Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to connect the OSI Wireless Strobe Siren in just a few steps. It's only going to take me a minute to show you. So first, click on Menu. Then you're going to press Parts right here. And now don't press this yet, but we're going to need to know where it is. It says Siren Learn. It looks like a picture of a siren. We're going to be pressing that once we put the siren in pairing mode. So let's pick up the siren and let's put click the off to on. So it flashes and you hear a beep. You know it's on. So now there's the set button. Now we're not going to press it yet, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be holding it down, and when we hold it down, it's going to beep 3 times. But we're going to let go of the set button after the second beep, not the third beep. And when we do, this is going to strobe rapidly for 5 seconds. And within that 5 seconds, we have to press the Siren Learn button. So when we do that, then it'll be finished. So you ready? So we're going to take the set button, what you see over here. We're going to hold it down for 2 beeps, right? Here we go. 1, 2, let go. Now it's strobing rapidly. You're going to hit the Siren Learn button. It beeps, and now it is done. Now to check to see if it is connected, we're going to hold down the SOS panic button, and that should make the strobe siren go off. Here we go. 1, 2, there we go. And there you have it. I'm going to turn this off. And there you go. The wireless strobe siren is now connected. Now have the sides of the grooves facing the wall and place it on the location where you want to install it. So then mark it with a pencil. Now drill 2 holes where you mark the wall. Make sure the drill bit is smaller than the anchor. Then hammer the wall anchors into the wall. Then with the groove side on the surface mount facing the wall, screw in the mount. Then place the siren over the surface mount until it slides in, and give it a quick clockwise turn until it locks in place. If you need to recharge the siren, just give it a counterclockwise turn and pull it out.
Well, we hope this video helped you out. All the products you see here are available on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your question below, and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. My name is Brandon Paris, and thank you for watching.